following up from our previous episode, Latitude Adjustment was now on the hard for what would be over a month. During this time, in addition to the necessary repairs, we took the opportunity to also make improvements to areas that needed it, as well as a couple of upgrades to help enhance our boating experience. Repairs to Latitude Adjustment included fiberglass work and fresh bottom paint along the front of the keel, as well as the repair, refinishing, and rebalancing of the starboard prop and shaft. The port prop was also balanced and refinished, and a brand new starboard rudder was installed, bringing the entire running gear close to factory new condition. And just a quick note, we're incredibly grateful that insurance covered the cost because the total bill came in at nearly $17,000. With the running gear off and waiting for repairs to be made, we decided to make some adjustments to the swim platform and the supports for the seaweed dinghy system, as the dinghy seemed like it was still getting into some of our stern wake below planing speeds. We also had a bit of a dip on the swim platform, and the adjustments to the supports straightened that out. Our new swim ladder started to see a bend in its base, and so we added some additional support to it. The aft of Latitude Adjustment is looking shipshape. In the interest of further lightening the weight in our aft, we decided to take our 75-gallon water tank out, as it represented almost 600 pounds, which is more than the weight of the dinghy, and replace it with a direct draw water system, since the majority of our boating will be in fresh water. The system we chose was a UV Dynamics mini rack that can support from 6 to 20 gallons per minute, and includes a sediment and fine particle filter, as well as a UV disinfection system. And finally, we decided to swap out the stainless steel insert on our new aft fridge with a white one that was more in line with the surrounding decor. Now, with all that done, what else can we do as we wait for all the repairs to be completed?
Here comes Tammy on our new electric bikes. Hopefully she doesn't fall down. Oh, she's going to be a speed demon.
The previous year, we picked up a pair of rugged electric off-road bikes, and while Latitude Adjustment was on the hard, we decided to explore some of the local trails. One of our favorite discoveries was in Collingwood, Ontario, a town with an incredible network of cycling and multi-use trails. The Collingwood trail system spans over 60 kilometers, connecting parks, neighborhoods, and scenic waterfronts, perfect for cyclists, walkers, joggers, cross-country skiers, and snowshoers alike. It's funny, this was practically in our own backyard, and we had no idea it even existed. If you're ever in the area, do yourself a favor and check it out. And now the time was at hand for Latitude Adjustment to be cradled back to the gentle waters of Georgian Bay for her first sea trials since our rock incident. Latitude Adjustment past our sea trials, and we are now ready to continue our exploration of Georgian Bay and beyond. Join us in our continuing adventures.
Tammy is captaining today, and she's taking us to the roughest part of Georgian Bay that she could find.